How do you share your live location on WhatsApp? I'm going to show you how in this video. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can share your live location on WhatsApp. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp app, click on the group chat or the chat that you want to send your live location to. So I want to send it here, okay? So you just click on the plus icon, you can see location. So this is the same whether it is to group chat or to individual chat. You have the option to send location. So click on the location. And then there's a few options here. You can share your live location or you can send your current location, all these things. Or you can send your other locations as available. So your live location, that means you will follow exactly where you go. Wherever you go, people can see where you are. Alright, so that's something cool as well. But you want to send your current location as to let people know that this is the place that you want them to visit. Then you can just send your current location. Okay, you can even change how the map looks like by clicking on the eye icon. So you can see map, hybrid, satellite. Alright, so this is how you can do it. Now let's share your live location. So let's just share the live location. So you can see here, WhatsApp app do not have access to the location while in the background. So to enable access, click settings, location always. So I just click on settings first. I want it to be able to have the location while they are logged in. So location, click on always, alright? So that when you turn off WhatsApp, then you can have it always on. Let's go back to WhatsApp. Alright, so now it's on. So I want to share the live location for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. I think 15 minutes is good enough. Alright, and then you just click send. There. So you can see here, it's live until a certain amount of time. And then if you want to stop sharing, just click on stop sharing. So that's how easily you can share your live location on WhatsApp. So it's a fun way to do it so that people know where you are. Okay, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.